Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters in Islam, indeed we are going through amazing and strange times which remind us about the qudra of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and our dependence on Him. Inshallah, we pass through these times and through this test quickly and safely. As you might notice, I'm standing in front of 67 Robinson Street. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, the settlement of this building has taken place. We would have loved to get everybody to come in and view this building, but unfortunately the situation does not allow. So inshallah, before we start renovations, we thought we'll do a walkthrough for everybody. So inshallah you can see where your investments have gone, and inshallah you can keep us and keep this project continuously in your du'as as we go forward. Jazakallahu Khair. As you can see, this is the entrance and reception area, and this inshallah will be the admin block. Some work has started already on this place, some electrical work inshallah. This will be a room that will be used for the older students to run some of the classes for the year 11 and 12 in here inshallah. These will be the Maktab rooms inshallah, the rooms for the students attending, and they will be separated into half and inshallah used as 2 rooms. So this room inshallah will be used for the time being for the Hifdh program and assemblies and teacher training until the extension, the multi-purpose hall extension is ready inshallah. And then this will be turned into classrooms. Inshallah there is a plan to add an extension to this building as a multi-purpose space where the Hifdh program will run, and which will be used for the assembly and the sports area for the students, which will be on top, and the parking will remain below inshallah under this multi-purpose hall.